Welcome back to this video tutorial. We can consider program example for nested loops. In our previous video, we have learned how to display a pattern that contains stars. Okay, so now we can make certain changes, like I'm going to display, instead of the star, I'm going to display this one. That means going to display J. What is the expected output? In first case, in our previous star program, in which the first iteration display a single star in first row, and in second iteration it displays 2 stars in second row, and in third iteration it displays 3 stars in third row, and so on. Okay, so now here I have made certain changes. Instead of star, I am going to display J in each row. That means in the first iteration, instead of displaying a single star, here it display the value of J. That means initially the value of J is 1. So in first row it display 1. And in the second row, it first display 1 and second display 2. Okay, and in the third row it first display 1, second display 2, then 3. Okay, and in the fourth row display 1, 2, 3, 4 and transfer control to the new line. And in the fifth row it display 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now we can consider the output. So exactly like our expectation, the first row it display 1 because here we displayed the value of J, and the first iteration J equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to I is 1 itself. So in the second, after displaying 1, the J value become 2, 2 less than or equal to 1 is the false case. So transfer control to the outside of inner for loop and transfer control to this new line, and here it display 1 and 2. Then whenever the J value become 3, 3 less than or equal to 2 become false and transfer control to third line, and I become 3 and here display 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so this is the pattern displayed now while printing the value of J here. Now we can consider one more modification. Instead of J, I am going to display the value of I. As the expected output, in the first row it display the value of I. That is, I value in first row is 1 itself. So it display a single 1. Okay, and in the second row, it display the value of I 2 times. In second iteration the value of I is 2. So in second row it display 2 times. And in the third row the I value is 3. Throughout the third row the I value is 3. So in third row it display 3 times. And in the fourth row I value is 4 and it display 4 times. And in the fifth row the I value is 5 and it display 5 times. And finally stop both inner and outer loop and terminate the program execution. Okay, now we can check the output. Exactly like our expectation. First row a single 1 and second row 2 times. And in third row the I value is 3, so it display 3 times. And in fourth row it display 4 times. And in fifth row it display 5 times. Here this is the limiting condition I less than or equal to 5. So it stop after displaying 5 different rows with different values. Okay, thank you.